Hi friends, so I just got this Lumix 20-60mm. It's the kit lens actually, and I'm not usually one to be fond of zoom lenses or really any modern lenses, but I wanted something that's a little bit more practical and a little bit lighter for hiking and backpacking, and having the 20mm at the wide end should be really nice for landscapes, but still be able to zoom in a bit. Should be a lot more practical than like the older prime lenses that I've been using. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of take it out for the next few days here in Washington. I'm flying to South America actually in a week, but I want to try and play around with it a bit before then, take some photos and shoot some video with it as well. So let's go backpacking. I'm quite impressed with this lens, especially for photos. I mean, that's kind of mainly why I bought it, is to have a kind of hiking lens. It was still going to be good for video. I mean, it's not a vintage lens. You're not going to get much character with it. It's fairly sharp, but you can kind of help that a little bit with grading. I like to take the mid-tone details down a little bit to make it look a little bit less sharp. But yeah, for photos, I'm actually kind of blown away, especially at 20mm. It's very sharp. I mean, the whole focal range, especially for kit lens. I'm used to comparing it to the Fujifilm 18-55, which people used to really rave about. That was like one of the most popular kit lenses, I think, for a long time. This is much sharper. I wouldn't have any problem printing big, really, with some of the images that I've captured so far with this. And having weather sealing in such a small lens too, well, relatively small for full frame, is going to be really clutch. This has all been shot on this 20-60mm lens on the Lumix S5. I've had the in-body stabilization turned on, and I just turned it off so you can see what it would look like. I'm sure it's going to be a bit shakier, but I think you'd struggle sometimes with really wide angles to get kind of the jello-y effect, but that hasn't really been a problem for me. But this lens does not have IS or anything like that, but with this camera the IBIS is so good that I don't really foresee that being an issue in the slightest. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'm taking this down to tomorrow actually to Patagonia, so I'm really excited to shoot up a whole bunch more footage and photos with it, so make sure to subscribe, stick around for that. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.